Hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and this is Thursday review day, and this is the Cache hat. I'm opening it up. I'm gonna put it on. Black hat. And remember, I got the kids a bunch for Christmas, but didn't get one for myself. I have a lot of hats, but I love this hat, and it is. If I can read this. Why do they have such little writing? Let me see this. Okay, so it is the CacheAlaska is a family-owned business centered in Alaska at the crossroad of the world. Okay, so, and it has all the HTTPs, which I'll put down there for you. Let's see what else it has. So there's nothing much that says it except that it's in Alaska, and it's, you get, okay, nothing else on here that's worth talking about anyway. But I'm going to try the hat on. How's everybody today? I am doing fine. It is cold, but hey, what did you expect? I think everybody thought that this was going to be the end of the winter, and you know, we were going to get, and it has this little, by the way, before I say this, it has this little emblem on the front here. So let's put it on, shall we? I like a little emblem on the front. I like that. I really, really like that. Get it all down and right. That feels good, and it hugs my head really well, and it's warm. I like it. Do you like it? Well, I'll leave the description in the, and leave everything in the description box. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.